Hello everyone, Engineering Guy here. I have a cell phone tip for you. Have any of you been experiencing issues where your apps just stop working? Here today I've had probably close to half of my apps. Every time I try to open them, they just stop. So I get the little error message saying app has stopped working, do I want to close it, uninstall, things of that nature. So I found a quick fix for it. So if you go to the Play Store and find the Android System Web View, again, that's the Android System Web View, and then update it. As soon as I did that, everything started working just fine. Now, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. Let's see if So again, update the Android System Web View, and everything should start working again. So here's just a quick tip from the Engineering Guy. Thank you.